Hey y'all, so I am about to start making vlogs. Let's see where I'm going to put you. I'm going to put you guys over here. I think this one. Okay, so right now I have my slime. Well, it's not slime yet, but it's my mixed ingredient, and it's not this color, but I put watercolor in it. So what I'm going to do right now is pop this in the refrigerator first for about 15 minutes, and I'll catch you guys when it is done. So the thing is, this is going in the refrigerator, not the freezer, because I know some people who be trying to make slime be putting it in the freezer. It's not the freezer, it's the refrigerator. This part is the refrigerator. The part with the handle. But no, they both got the handle, but the part at the bottom is the refrigerator. The part at the top is the freezer. Don't get that confused, because you need to know that. And I don't know how this is going to start out, because I honestly did not do this before I did all of this. But how I made this was, I had some Bath and Body Works shower gel. I put that in here. Then I used my paint. A paint, you can see food colors better. I have food colors, I use paint. And then I pop this in the fridge for 15 seconds. And it will be a part 2 to come see how it turned out. Peace.